Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a Toyota Corolla engine. First, gather your supplies, including an engine degreaser, various brushes, and safety glasses. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid any electrical problems. Finally, carefully cover all sensitive electrical components, like the alternator and fuse box, with plastic bags or cling wrap. Now it's time to apply your engine degreaser. Spray it generously over all the dirty areas, ensuring good coverage. Let the degreaser work its magic for about 5 to 10 minutes, as per product instructions. Then, grab your brushes, both stiff and soft bristles, and gently scrub away the loosened grime. Focus on those tough spots and tight crevices for a truly clean result. With the scrubbing done, it's time to rinse. Use a low-pressure water spray, like from a garden hose, to gently wash away the degreaser and dirt. Be very careful to avoid spraying directly onto any electrical components or the air intake. Once rinsed, use compressed air or clean microfiber towels to thoroughly dry the entire engine bay. Ensure everything is completely dry before moving on. Almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's secure. For an extra touch, apply a non-silicone dressing to any plastic and rubber components. This helps protect them and gives a nice finish. To keep your engine looking great, inspect it regularly for new dirt or leaks. A quick, light cleaning every 3 to 6 months will help maintain its pristine condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.